Good morning, guys. Welcome to OnePunch Algo channel. For those who don't know about OnePunch Algo channel, we keep live streaming sessions Monday to Friday from 7:45 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. In the pre-market sessions, we check for pre-market scanners to find early morning top gapping stocks that are less than $20. Then we look into reasons they are moving, and based on the positive and negative news, we filter 3 to 4 results. After that, we check for the outstanding share volumes, share float, and then we mark resistance and support levels. Finally, we use OnePunch Algo 15-minute and 30-minute charts to find the trend reversals together with the support and resistance levels to make intraday trading for the maximum profit. Hey, good morning, good morning. Alright guys, today I did some changes from my screener. I changed from pre-market change percentage 10% to 5%. Hey Alex, you're Alex, right? I remember your name. I see Kodak is actually moving up a lot, 200% movement. They have 43 million outstanding shares with 80 million share float. Let's go ahead and check what's the news, and before that let's check with 30-minute candlestick if we have a sell indicator. Right, so with the 30-minute candlestick I don't see any sell indicator. That means this could keep on going up. So if we check 15-minute, that's the sell, and again the momentum scanner moved in. Oh, there's a big sell happening right now. Wow, the volatility is really high. Well, let's go ahead and check for the, if this close with the red outline yellow candle, that means this is going to go down. This is going to be the maximum for this stock. I'm using OnePunch Algo plugin, so those who doesn't know OnePunch Algo plugin, you guys can go visit onepunchalgo.com and you guys can read through all this information, and there's a documentation as well. And I have created a couple of articles, YouTube videos that describes how to use the OnePunch Algo plugin. So going back to Kodak, we have 1 minute and 52 seconds to close this candle. If this close green, then that's fine, it will go up. Let's check 5 minutes. Okay, so there's a momentum strategy happening right now. So the momentum strategy, it has to be first green outline yellow candle. Yeah, sure, I will add you. 8th trade, right? I will add. So in the momentum scanner, actually a momentum strategy, you buy here when it is first given that yellow candle formation, actually here, and then sell the red, again buy here, sell the red, buy here and sell the red, buy here again, sell the red, buy again, and I don't see any sell either. So this way you guys can, if you are a day trader though, then you guys can make a lot of money. But for the holders who held this for many months, when you get that red candlestick under the 30-minute, then that's a sell. That's where you guys want to sell and take your maximum profit. For an example, yesterday we checked SCKT, which went up a lot. So this is where the first sell happened, and this is the second sell happened. So after that it kept on going up. So OnePunch Algo gave those indicators. This is again for TCRR, and here is the first indicator which set to sell, and this is the second indicator which set to sell. And using these, if you are a shorter, you can start shorting here, and then you can buy back when it give you the first green candle. if you are a day trader, then you guys need to use 1 minute chart and then 5 minute chart using the OnePunch algo. So let's go back to Kodak. So you are asking, does the outline change from red to green or green to red? Should we wait for confirmation? Alright, so based on the volatility and all the data that is getting, if it close, it depends actually, you know, it's based on the formulas I have coded for the plugin. So it changed based on the volume and a lot of other indicators, and in this case normally it will start with green outline and then change to red. But if again there's a positive volatility and positive feedback from the traders, then it will change back to green in the same candlestick. That's the question you're asking, right? So if you guys see here, when it started, it actually started with a red candle, but now it's changed to a green. Since this green candle passed the previous red, that means this is again another momentum indicator, buy indicator. So you guys need to confirm. Yeah, it says buy. So if you check with two charts, let's go ahead and check 1 minute and then 5 minutes. That's why it's important, if you are doing swing trades, it's important to check 1 minute and 5 minute both. So 1 minute, two green candles, one big candle that is bigger than the red candle formed previously. So this is actually moving up. So this is a buy. All right, so let's go ahead and check first all the information about this stock, what's happening, and any news that we actually want to day trade the entire day. Bar chart, I couldn't find any information about this stock. Let's go ahead and check with stock with Google. Kodak Lands Million U.S. loan in start of medical supply chain fix. Medical supply. Well, let's go and read something else. $765 million. How many shares outstanding? 43 million shares outstanding. How about the earnings? Okay, let's go back to 30-minute chart. So how are you guys doing today? Anyone new to the channel, let me know. I will explain how the channel works. Alright, let's mark the support and resistance levels. Right now the price of this stock is around 835, so news is not bad. They have gotten a loan for 765 million. So that's one highest. Actually, this is the highest for the 2-year, and this is a resistance. Again, the resistance is at 988. What happened to the usual crowd today? Everyone is sleeping. I couldn't hear my bell today. I was like, I slept late, I guess. Alright, so let's mark the support and actually support right now. Okay, going back to 30 minutes or 50 minutes. Yeah, so from 699 until 991, yes, seems like it could keep on going up. Was it really? Did we really missed, or let's check again. I'm not sure. Okay, so is there any resistance in between? No. No. Yep. So it could actually keep on going to that 991. So if we go back to 5-minute chart, that's a sell again, that's a momentum buy. Now it's going up. Good stock. I'm going to trade this one both ways. I will short as well as I will try to jump in on the intraday bounce back. Alright, let's go to the next stock. Next stock is Fran. I see less than 3 million outstanding shares, and then the share float is around 2.8. However, there's a soft sell indication happening right now. It does have 10 seconds to close it. Let's see where it's going. Oh, this is actually 5-minute chart, so let's go back to 15. Yeah, 50 minutes looks okay. I trade well, actually no. If I see something like this though, I have added alerts. That means the stocks that I am picking for the day, I put alerts. OnePunch Man, actually OnePunch Algo, not OnePunch Man, does have an alert system that I'm going to give for everyone else after I test it a couple of more months, the alert system actually gives me indications when the stock is actually moving up after hours as well. So for an example here, EQ, I got an alert around here with 5-minute chart around 12:30, and then I jump in, sold, jump in, sold, jump in again, and sold around something here. So yes, with alerts, but I don't watch. I took my profit in the morning, and I'm happy with my target, $1,000 a day. And if I can make that within the first 15 to 30 minutes, then that's it. If not, if I see some alerts, these alerts are actually bigger alerts, like it will indicate if it's actually going to break out, so then I will jump in again. Well, I actually made a lot with this stock within 3 hours. Okay, let's go back to Kodak. I will give the green label. Oh, it's going. I'm gonna add it to watch list. Fran, again, let's go ahead and check for news. Okay, they're actually watching second quarter news, well, outlook. Okay, let's actually read it because I like the fact that they have actually less than 3 million outstanding shares. When is the next QR or the ER? Let's see, 4 hours. Let's see though. Okay, maybe the article might have it. What is this, right? Today provides the business update and report financial results for the first quarter, and yeah, they're actually late on reporting stuff. Second quarter, they also have for the second quarter ending on August 1st. Assuming, okay, first quarter, the earning is still not added to the account. Yeah, this is actually weird though. Yeah, I wouldn't even worry about this stock right now because this is a retail stock, footwear retail, and though if they say they're gonna expect from 67 million to 71 million, I highly doubt that. What do you guys think? On the first quarter results, they actually have a decrease. Net sales decreased 50% to 43 million from 87. So if there is a decrease in the first quarter, then can't expect, because as you guys can see, they actually estimated 96 cents, but they end up with $3 minus $3.97. Yeah, I don't know why it's going up. Yes, true. Can't trust anything medical, defense maybe. and anything related to home and tech. Okay, so for the SNGX, I see the hard sell around 7:30. Let's check with 30-minute chart. Yeah, there are two hard sells forming right now. Well, maybe this one is formed. This one is actually still has 29 minutes. So going back to 15. Let's go ahead and check. Positive preclinical results for novel COVID vaccine. Okay, so let's go for the stock. You're talking about the yesterday from 4 to 8 or previous day jump? So let's check 1 minute. 1 minute momentum started from 10:18, 7:27. Yeah, this is the one. So from here to here it's 19%. Then again, that's the momentum for 1 minute. There, I would say as soon as you see the red, you're gonna sell. So 19 and 6, 25%, and then after that I don't see any formations. Okay, this is one. These are like you buy and sell as soon as you see the red. Again, you buy and sell, you buy, sell. Okay, here, so this is a soft buy, and you buy here and then you sell there with the first rate. Again, this is a soft buy here, sell there, buy here, sell there. This since it gave couple of white back to back, then I'm not jumping. For me to break this white indicator, need to see at least 2 big green candlesticks, then I will be jumping in. Yeah, so that's the indicator with 1 minute chart. Using what do you call the hotkeys, you should be able to like trade these indicators. Let's see if we didn't have that option. Well, that's the thing, you need to also use the support and resistance levels. Together with support and resistance levels, this might give you more positive data. Okay, so when I'm day trading, I use 1 minute and 5 minute both. 5 minute is mostly for me to like, it shows me a strong reversal for those sessions. For 1 minute, I jump in as soon as I see that red, whatever the red candlestick formation with the buy, then I'm gonna sell. So 1 minute I choose to like just scalp like 1% or 5% or 3% on volatility, whatever the volatility. So you have to be fast and you have to be an expert on using hotkeys if you're going with the 1 minute chart. 5 minutes you have some chance to think and just to ride, put limit orders and stuff like that. So it's up to you guys. Need to actually create your own strategy using the algo, and whatever comfortable area you are in, be that. Like I said, always master one strategy and then you guys can use other strategies later. SNGX, I did see some news about COVID, and they do have 28 million outstanding shares. This is phase 1 or just positive? There can be no assurance as the time of the phase 3 clinical trial. Okay, now they are talking about something else. Wednesday, June 23, they had some news around the oral drug they were talking about, phase 3. Before that, I don't see anywhere it says COVID though. Yeah, this is the first article that is related to COVID from these guys. Heat stable COVID-19 vaccine. Okay, so this is the article sent by the company. This is not a phase 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, so the deal here, this stock will go down, but does have future. If they announce the phase 1, then this will bounce back again. So let's go ahead and see a scenario where we can actually trade this. Right now it's moving at 297. Previous highest for the year is 355. What about 5 years? 371 here, and then 2017 it was around 570. Just wanna see if they have any stock splits for the last 3 years. 2016 they have one, so that's not bad. Okay, so the setup with 30 minutes, once it touch the bottom, create let's do support and resistance levels so you guys can also see what's going on. I would wait for it to touch the first support, actually the lowest support for the day, and then I would buy a couple of shares like 1000 and hold it for some few weeks. This is if you were me. Right now the hype is over, as you guys can see under the 30 minute. Well, 30 minutes are passed, so both of them given hard sell. Resistance, there's resistance for today. What do you guys think about the stock? I'm actually chasing COVID vaccine stocks and holding them, even though if it is not gonna work, I buy small amount of stocks from every vaccine stock there is. $318. Yeah, and then I keep put those alerts. So just now, like the jump it did today with 30-minute chart alert, if I get the hard sell, then that means for me that's a sell, and then I will buy back again if it touch the lower support. So doing that, I can keep on making money with every news that they share, you know, every press release they make, every time they say something positive when the stock goes up, I keep on making money. It works with anything, even Bitcoin, futures, Forex, currencies. Yesterday I even got a message from someone saying he's working with Bitcoin and it really works. I need to send him a reply today. I don't think it will touch $1 again, so anything about 134, not sure, maybe 180. But let's go ahead and see any other area. 28. Yeah, there's one. Okay, so that's fine. Alright, so I would wait for this to touch either 253 and bounce back with 30-minute chart, and this is for me to not to day trade, this is for me to like jump in back again. The other area I'm watching is 100-day moving average and 20-day moving average. If you see, previously as soon as the 20-day moving average cross 100-day moving average, it tend to go up. So that's where I'm actually going to buy back. I need to see the 20-day moving average below, and then as soon as it goes well, I need to see the trend reversal as well with the line, and then I will keep on buying that stock, and then I will wait for that big jump. Alright, so SNGX, I will keep the label orange so I can check it later on. IGC, 41 million outstanding shares. The problem is you guys can see the difference is too much with the ask and the bid. Bid is at 78 cents and the ask is $1.23. Yesterday, what happened to this stock? The average of the volume is around 11 million. It moved from 55 to 66. Yeah. Let's go ahead and see if they have any news. So I know Alex is here. Who else is here? Just say hi. Let us know what do you guys think about the videos or the algo, the strategy. Talk to us. IGC, I don't see anything important, so I'm gonna mark it with red. BUXL just popped up. It popped up 19%. Awesome. I will add you as soon as I'm done with the video. Atlanta Public School extend contract with Boxlight. Atlanta. They did had a news a couple of days ago. Yeah, so July 18. Let's go ahead and check July. Oh, here. Oh, slow. Okay, so it went from 198 and touched 450 with the same kind of news for this stuff, right? No, this was the award news actually. Yeah. For an award news, it kept going up from the market open till 100%. 31 million outstanding shares. Share float is around 23 million. Okay, let's mark the resistance levels. Alright guys, as you guys can see, it touched the 100-day moving average and went down, and that's actually a good buy here. Yesterday was a good buy for this stock. I have a screener just to like capture these kind of stocks that moved up previously and about to jump back. This Saturday I will actually create that video as well. I created the video on how to create these screeners for pre-market. You guys can go to OnePunch Algo YouTube channel, and then I created a new playlist which gives the educational videos from OnePunch Algo. So bookmark, keep it, do whatever you guys want to do with it. Okay, so the first resistance for this stock at this point is around 3.8. It's gonna break that. For me to jump in, I want to check with 5-minute chart, but I'm not going to buy anything at pre-market. I will wait that 30 minutes, actually from 9:30 to 10 I will trade. Hey, good morning Vix. You're from Canada, right? How's the weather today? Anyone from Texas? You guys are safe. Anyone who is listening to this from Texas, I hope you guys are safe from that hurricane. It hit last 2 days. BOXL about to break that 3.8 resistance. Really? And I don't know, today weather in Orlando is actually cold. I was sleeping a lot today. 26. Colder than yours, I guess. It's gonna rain. Oh, I actually forget to add this Kodak news. Those who miss it. So guys, Kodak is the one I'm gonna day trade. They had news saying they're actually received a loan from the government. So let me add that to my feed. Kodak well, I will take this Wall Street Journal one topic. Kodak Lands 765 million loan from the government. So let's put that. Okay, now we have it. Those who want to read, here it is. I'm gonna intratrade this one right now. This is actually a good indicator for a short sell, but I would actually use 15 minutes and see if it's gonna bounce back though. Alex, I know you like to short sell stuff, so this is a good point. But if you're gonna short sell, look out for these bounce back areas. Okay. Hey Chris, MNOV, not actually. Let's see what's going on with it. It's $8. It's going down though. New actually, so the MNOV, it's going down, so maybe you are using the maybe you didn't filter this properly with change, pre-market change percentage. Pick the above, not below. Maybe you put below, right, Chris? So even for that MNOV, don't buy because the moving averages are still up. Wait for it to like go down. Oh, but they do have earnings tomorrow. Is it tomorrow or today? Today. Okay, so IGC with said no, NXTD. What's the news? Alex, since you like to short sell, also check for post-market scanners as well, and that's actually a good point for you to make the maximum out of the stock. NXTD, yeah, the NXTD is not actually working out. Yeah, no news there. I'm gonna go with Google just to see what's going on yesterday. A significant event. Yeah. Gonna change that to red. Next one, Sohu. Sohu, didn't it went yesterday? Yeah, here. They have 39 million outstanding shares and the float is around 39 million as well. Hey guys, don't forget to like, please. It's actually, I'm losing my likes recently. So I can rank with Google. I can actually monetize these videos without 1,000 subscribers. And since I'm giving my plugin for 60-day free trial, I'm actually not making anything. So just the money that I'm making from my trades. Monday. Oh yeah, they acquired the different. Well, that's actually a proposal, not an acquisition. So it's moving up. Is this a Chinese company? Oh yeah, China, leading online media. So Twitch, Chinese Twitch. Well, it's already trading at $17. Maybe options might work, but no, I'm not gonna try it. There are more options that are less riskier. Sela. Sorry. 1 hour ago, stock in England is it? Do we have William today? Let's go ahead and check here. Okay, so for this news we need to actually find out how good of a company they are and actually making a lot of are people using their gateway, payment gateway, and if there are more people using their gateway, then this is actually a good news. Sela, they have 147 million outstanding shares. Financials, $3 loss. Yeah, not gonna even try. Year to day, it's moving down. 5 years moving down. Yeah, no. Okay. Red. Mara. What's going on with Mara? So if you guys don't mind, tell me about your goal for the week. Doesn't have to be goal for the day. Just tell me about your goal for the week. Mine it's 5K. Oh, Naked brand is popping up. July 8 was the last day they have. Okay, thus in between. Okay, so do you walk away if you hit 5K on the first day? Let's say you hit 5K today. Are you gonna walk away? That's the question. Most of the people who are losing money doesn't walk away after you made that goal. So creating that discipline is actually important. I know sometimes the more you make, the more you feel like, oh, I should be making more. That's fine actually. Walking away means for the day, not for the entire week. Addiction. That's an addiction. I would go and watch a movie or something like that for the day. Naked is moving up without any news. Wait, this is Gina, not Naked. Yeah. Naked brand is actually a retail stock in Australia. Yeah, I can't. They do have 18 million Australian shares. I have made money before, but the stock is keep on going down. Yeah, this position on June, I was able to make that $2 thing, $2.20. It is the lowest, 51 cents, and now it's trying to move up again. Okay, I would check later today. Sela, we did talk about it. ENUV. Oh, actually guys, I did change my scanner to show up anything above $5 just to see if there's anything breaking out. So I'm gonna keep it like that for a few minutes. It's 9:03 now. Volume is doing great. Wow, the Kodak volume is actually 22 million already. Yeah, Kodak and SNGX, and that's only those two. SNGX, again I said I'm gonna buy if it hit 253 or 211, and then I'm gonna, oh, this is about the coronavirus vaccine, right? Yeah, and then I'm gonna activate the alerts as soon as I get this hard sell for 15-minute chart. I will be able to keep on making money on every news or every PR that is happening. We do have the opportunity. I hope you didn't lose money, Alex. That's actually 30-minute change into the close was actually didn't turn into a hard sell. So 15-minute change, that's the one, but the momentum is still keep it up. as a sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and then again buy. Don't see any sell yet. Okay, cool. Yeah, wait for the market open. Actually, I want to try to see if the news is good. The reason I'm saying that, because look, they were like 262. That's actually a problem. But let's see financials. Current depth. Where's the depth? Let's add that depth. Depth, not depth. Quarterly. Okay, so let's see 1 day. Okay, so the depth they kept on. Oh, actually no, they have a change. Yeah, this is important because the loan is a debt, so they're gonna get $765 million. So right now it's 172. Even though in 2016 when the debt is high, they were actually high, but when they kept on paying it off, the stock is keep on going down. That's actually a weird stock. Wow, when the debt was 1 billion, it was around 28. This is a big company. I think one of the oldest companies in the world. I don't see any other information. Okay, so now the debt is going to move to 900,000, right? Yeah, so here's the deal. The debt is not the problem. The reason that the loan was given, the Kodak is going to go and invent medical supply, jump into medical supply chain. So this is actually good news for the company. They are going to change their business model. That's why the stock is actually going up. So let's see my strategy. What is my strategy? Let's go back to 15-minute chart. I'm going to use 1 minute and 5-minute chart, and I would see if it's going to touch 991 and then break out. Then the breakout, if that happens, then I'm going to jump in at maybe 10.5. The reason sometimes even if it is jump, but the $10 going to be like people without even checking, it's going to, people are going to sell at 10 and then it will jump down. But I'm going to put a limit order for 10.5, and if I see a red formation as soon as I put the limit order, then I'm going to cancel, or if it is purchased already, I'm going to sell. If else, there is a chance for this to hit 1198. So if I buy 1000, I can make 19%, so I'm going to make 2000, right? Well, 1900. So that's my day target. Then I'm actually going to take it easy, waiting for it to break these two areas, and again I will jump in 817. So that's another 8. Well, actually if I put 1000, yeah, if I compound it, maybe I made another 1000. After that I couldn't see anything else. Then I have to mark another support and resistance levels after 1323. But let's say market open and it went down. The first one I would wait for is to touch 699 and then bounce back with 5-minute candlestick. The bounce back needs to happen above this line, so it's not a cross, it has to be above. That's where most of the people get misunderstand. It needs to form above the line, and then I would buy in using hotkeys, market buy, and then I would sell the first rate, whatever the rate. Again, if it is a momentum, then it will keep on going up again and hit 991. From here to there, it's going to be 38. So yeah, I will be able to make a lot of money if that happens. If it hit 699, and I have a good opportunity for this to like touch 991 again today. So that's my second strategy if it goes, actually first strategy for if it goes down. The second strategy if it goes down is going to be this area, 684. It touch here, then the bounce back. Then again we still have a chance to make, wow. So guys, this is stock will give you guys a couple of chances to make a good amount for the week. If nothing goes well, let's say under 30 minutes, if it gives a bigger red candlestick for the first 30 minutes, then I'm gonna buy shorts. That way I can ride it until it touch somewhere around 464 or 380. For the look of the stock, I don't see anything happening like that. Seems to be bullish. So do you guys need these support and resistance levels? Recently nobody is asking for support and resistance levels. Maybe you guys catch up fast. That's good. We still have 70 minutes. Let's go ahead and see if there's any locations in between. Okay, so that's the one, 1729. I'm gonna mark that as well, but it's gonna become a resistance though. This one, 1536. Yes, that's one. The reason I'm marking this because I kind of feel that if you keep on breaking these levels, it will go and touch that. Maybe not 1729, maybe at least 15, somewhere around 15. Okay, let me share this one. Let's post on stock page just to support anyone else who is actually want to learn something. I know most of the stock with guys doesn't really open up for charts, but charts actually works. Those who are with me for more than 2 weeks now, what do you guys think about the chart? Tell me what is your actual let's say your concept about chart analysis. What do you think? Is it working for you guys? right? Yeah. Yeah, for day trading, yeah, I love charts. Most of the people talks about, sometimes people talk about the fundamentals of a stock. Yeah, charts work with fundamentals as well, just for the day. If you're actually making money, jump in and jump out and keep on those cash, it will give you a good night's sleep. I used to have stocks I kept on holding, like penny stock, like 25,000 shares, like $40,000 worth of shares on penny stocks, and I couldn't like sleep. This was like 2 years ago. I was like, oh my god, man, I'm afraid if it goes out. One time it happened for, I think, Naked brand, I guess. I purchased, was it Naked? No, it's for inspections, like INPX. Yeah, this is actually a really bad stock. I hate this stock. They keep on splitting, and then they keep on putting back those stocks. And I purchased like 5,000 shares when it was like $1 back in the day, and they split it. So 5,000 become 500 shares now, and my $5,000 worth only 500 because they kept on putting what do you call, the warrants, or more stocks for the market. Again they split and then put more stocks again, and then I was left with $1 at the end of the day, holding this stock for more than 6 months. So from $5,000 I only left with $1. So day trading is the best. And then the other strategy I was talking about, if there's news with COVID, then buy the support level and then make a alert. Then as soon as it goes up, sell it and then buy back again with the support level. Eleven more minutes. Oh wow. You know what? Let's put those charts. I need 5 minutes above. Well, actually, let's go with 1 minute. And then this one I will work with 30 minutes. And this I will work with 15. I need a 5 as well. Let's go ahead and pick the 5. 3 down. Yeah, this one. 5 minutes. I will jump back and forth with the main one, 5 and 1 minute. Let's just watch 5 minutes because it does give me good information here. So right now it's a momentum buy. Let's watch. Alright, okay, let's see you guys tomorrow. I will add you as soon as I'm done with the stream. Hey, thank you for visiting. Okay. Like 7 more minutes. It's gonna touch that 991. So again, I have an order at 10.5. So my strategy to sell around here if it moves up, and then buy back if it breaks this level as well. After that, there's another chance it keep on going up, but you guys have to check the 30-minute candlestick chart and 50-minute chart to see if there's a reversal. Alright guys, as usual I'm gonna say goodbye for you guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys gonna make a lot of money today. And then make sure to take that profit and just leave. Sonam is moving. Sonam. Telecommunication equipment. Well, I will just go with the Kodak for now. Nice setup. $960. Wow, the setup is really nice now. The first green red candlestick formation under 30 minutes and 15 minutes gonna like drop this. Still good though. Guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe if you are new, and you guys will get a notification when I'm online tomorrow as well. I will try to make it at 7:45. If I am late, then gonna be maybe 50 minutes late, but watch your emails to get that notification. If not, the channel will have the live streaming video pop up as soon as we are live. Alright guys, 9:30, I'm done, and once again goodbye. See you guys tomorrow.